We got a little bit of rain last night, a little over ½ an inch. So I think that the ground's gonna be okay where I can pull up these stakes and then be able to get them back into the ground. So I'm gonna do a double move today because they have really beat down the ground here and they need more room. So my goal is to move them all the way to the edge of the crepe myrtle, but not around the crepe myrtle because that'll make it harder to move the fence later, but to there. And then I also have to avoid, there's a blueberry bush there, and there's 2 little sprigs of blueberries there that you can't really see. But then once they get, this is where they'll probably end up today. And then next time I move them, I'm gonna try to skip over this and move them that way into the part of the garden that is done. But for today, I'm trying to move their fence from here. I'm gonna move it, each post 2 times, so hopefully it'll end up down around there somewhere. That's basically it. I have to pull the corner stakes out, these, and that will take the slack out of that side. And I got one over there, and then there's one at the end. I'll have to do that. But this is pretty close. Here's the driveway. This goes out to the barn. This is about as close as I wanted it. And then next time, I will start moving it this way, across over here into this grassy spot and into the garden. I'm gonna bypass the tomatoes because they're still doing pretty good. But where the green beans were, they can get in there and scratch through all of that old straw and the weeds and eat what they want.